I just picked up this brand new GoPro Hero 11. I'm excited about this because I haven't picked up a new camera in quite some time. Let's check this thing out. Well, that was pretty quick and easy. So I pulled off the box just like that, and look at here, just unzips. Well, there it is. On the back, it states that the camera must be updated before I use it. So what I'm gonna have to do is go plug this thing in, charge it up, and then put any appropriate updates that I need to on there. Basically, it comes with a battery. The battery's right here, and I have a couple different mounts that come with it as well. I'll be excited to get this thing out on the trail. Now, I picked up a couple other things, couple other accessories with it as well. So the first thing is a media mod pack, and so it's for a GoPro Hero 9 and a GoPro Hero 10, but down here in the corner it says it's also compatible with the 11. What this has is it has a built-in integrated microphone and also some foam to go over it. Like they say, one of the most important things with video is the audio quality. So if you don't have good audio, it's noisy and you're getting lots of wind, it's going to distract people from the video. So one thing I've been trying to do more of is to try and get better sound. So that's why I wanted to get a new GoPro that has this media mod as well that goes over it. So the end of it just opens. I'm going to put the battery in as well. So the battery goes in the side, and then there's a door that you remove. Slide it in there just like that, and then the new microphone is integrated, and it also gives this GoPro a little bit more protection. Then what I'm going to do is put the foam on there, and what the foam does is it protects the microphone from that wind noise. We're moving around in motorized vehicles and such, and you got wind blowing across there, so you don't get that annoying wind sound. The rest of the mounts are pretty much the same as every other GoPro. They come with these different mounts, so you can put it like this for a helmet mount if you want. I've got this handle, and just like that, I've got a camera I can use for vlogging. I have a camera that I can use for filming, rock crawling, and off-roading, and all the different stuff that we do. And it's just versatile and easy to use. Another attachment that I'm probably going to get is a light that goes right here. So if you're in bad light, you can get better light for it. I've shot a lot of my videos in the last couple years with a Canon M50, and that's what I'm shooting this video on right now, which is a great camera. But the one thing that it doesn't have is image stabilization, and that's one thing that these GoPros are great at. These GoPros, they have so much technology in them these days that they get really amazing video, great video quality, as well as awesome image stabilization. And there's two things that people don't like watching with video, and that's wind noise and also shaky video. So those are two things that just a basic GoPro can help clean up. So I'm looking forward to getting this thing out, using it a whole bunch, and using it here in the shop as well, just because it's so versatile, small, and easy. I'm really looking forward to getting out with this thing. Some of the different features that it has right here from the package. It's waterproof up to 33 feet. It has 8 times slow motion. It can do time warp 3.0, super photo, HDR photos, and raw photos. You can use it as a webcam. You can do 1080 live streaming with this. So that's pretty cool. With all the different social media these days, live streaming seems to be all the rage. YouTube's pushing it, Instagram's pushing it, Facebook is pushing it. They're all pushing it. So it also has voice control as well. 4K has been all the rage. Well, this camera can do 5K. So that's pretty amazing as well. I'm really looking forward to getting out, using this thing, and making more videos. We'll see how it goes in the future. Em, you having fun? Do you like driving? Yeah. It's a lot of fun. She's very focused right now. The first thing I noticed is my voice sounded a little bit different on this camera. However, that could have been due to the background noise of the motor running. The good thing is I didn't hear any wind noise, and so that's something I've been trying to make sure that I don't have in any future videos. You can see here as I'm walking through all these big boulders that the image stays pretty stable and pretty level, which is really important out in this rough terrain. My wife made the comment that she really likes this camera and she would rather use this one than our other one. So we're looking forward to using this camera in the future. So far, so good.
There it is. Was it going
going far enough.